For remote teams, moving beyond traditional VPNs, Tailscale and Twingate represent two modern alternatives. Both eliminate the headaches associated with legacy VPN solutions, but they approach network security and access from fundamentally different angles. This comparison examines their architectures, feature sets, and ideal use cases. Overview of both platforms. Tailscale creates direct peer-to-peer connections between devices using the WireGuard protocol. The platform functions as a mesh network where devices communicate directly without routing traffic through a central server. This approach emphasizes simplicity and speed, requiring minimal configuration to establish secure connections across laptops, servers, and cloud instances. Twingate focuses on securing application-level traffic using a relay and connector architecture designed specifically for enterprise backend access. Rather than connecting entire networks, Twingate provides granular access to individual applications and resources. The platform prioritizes compliance and control for organizations managing distributed workforces. Architecture and setup. Tailscale requires installing a client agent on every device intended for network participation. Laptops, servers, cloud VMIs, and other resources all receive the same lightweight agent. Setup completes within minutes through authentication and basic configuration. Twingate also requires client installation on user devices but uses dedicated connectors to secure back-end resources. This approach eliminates the need to install agents on every server, reducing management overhead for infrastructure. Initial setup involves more configuration than Tailscale, but scales more efficiently for enterprise environments. Performance characteristics. Tailscale establishes direct connections between devices, eliminating central gateway bottlenecks. This mesh architecture reduces latency and delivers fast performance for peer-to-peer scenarios where devices communicate directly. Twingate optimizes for application-specific access rather than broad network connectivity. Some vendor benchmarks suggest performance advantages for certain use cases, though real-world results vary based on deployment specifics and infrastructure. Access control. Tailscale manages access control through a centralized JSON file. Users write access control policies in code, which provides flexibility and precision for developers, but can become complex to manage at scale for IT administrators without programming backgrounds. Twingate defaults to a web-based interface for access control management. The platform offers granular device posture checks, allowing administrators to enforce requirements such as specific operating system versions or security software presence before granting access. This approach suits compliance-focused organizations. Security philosophy. Tailscale implements WireGuard for automatic end-to-end encryption with minimal configuration. The platform follows a secure by default approach that requires little user intervention to establish encrypted connections. Twingate enforces zero-trust principles where users access specific applications rather than entire networks. The platform hides resources completely, exposing no public IP addresses and eliminating scanning vulnerabilities. This approach meets requirements for compliance-heavy industries such as healthcare and finance. Pricing structure. Tailscale offers a free plan supporting up to 3 users and 100 devices. Paid plans begin at approximately $6 per user monthly for the starter tier. Twingate provides a free starter plan, allowing up to 5 users and 10 remote networks. The team plan starts at approximately $5 per user monthly. Both platforms increase in costs for larger deployments, with Tailscale typically carrying higher costs for advanced features. Logging and visibility. Twingate includes detailed activity logs and charts on the default dashboard, providing visibility for compliance audits and troubleshooting without additional configuration. Tailscale offers standard logging capabilities, but requires additional setup for real-time streaming and detailed auditing features. Organizations requiring comprehensive visibility out of the box may need to invest configuration time. Recommendations. Tailscale suits developers, small teams, and home lab operators who want instant functionality with minimal setup. The platform works well for users comfortable with technical configuration and those prioritizing simplicity over granular administrative controls. Twingate fits IT administrators managing distributed workforces, where compliance, device, posture enforcement, and application-level access controls are priorities. The platform addresses the scale challenges that traditional VPNs and simpler mesh networks encounter in larger enterprise deployments. The mesh network design of Tailscale provides simplicity and speed for smaller scale use cases. Twingate was built to solve the scale, compliance, and granular control requirements of enterprise environments. The appropriate choice depends on whether simplicity and speed or compliance and control carry higher priority.